Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix unable to add crossplay friends on NBA 2K24. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So here are the steps to actually, if you want to play with, to crossplay with your friends in the NBA 2K24. So from the NBA 2K24 main menu, go to your settings and then just make sure that the crossplay option is enabled. So remember this, make sure that the crossplay option is enabled. So maybe that is the reason why you cannot use the feature crossplay in your NBA 2K24. And then next, just open the friends menu and just press the right stick button on your controller and then press R1 or RB, so to switch tabs to your friends and add their 2K account to your friends list and invite them to your session. So make sure when you invite your friend, that friend is online with you during those times that you invite them. And you can invite your friends to any game mode in NBA 2K24 so long as they're playing the game on a PS5, Xbox Series, and you'll be able to invite them for a game at any time. So just make sure that you check all of these guidelines before you try and access the crossplay feature with your friends on the NBA 2K24. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.